Coming up, I'll tell you exactly how long it took me to cook this frozen burger, and I'll tell you how to get the perfect grill marks on it. This is the classic George Foreman Indoor Grill. Now, the reason it cooks faster than a frying pan is because it heats on the top and the bottom. As you can see, it does an amazing job. Let's have a quick look at what comes in the box. Now, I picked up this George Foreman Indoor Grill for two reasons. First, I did some research and found out it's a top-selling grill with an excellent reputation. And second, I got it for my grandson because I don't like him using the stovetop. It's actually heavier than I expected. And I think it has such a good reputation for longevity because there's hardly any moving parts to break. You simply plug it in, and when the light goes out, it's preheated and ready to cook. One of the best features is the sloping grill surface. It allows a significant amount of the grease to flow right into the drip tray. Plus, the cooking surface is super slick, making it easy to clean. The easiest way to get those grill marks on your burger is to wait about 3 minutes when it's cooking and then rotate it 90 degrees. The user guide includes instructions and a couple of recipes, but here's a tip for you. When you're cooking a frozen burger or just about anything else, use a timer. And that way you'll know when 7.5 minutes is up, you have the perfect burger. Thanks for watching.